It's streaming. Yeah. Okay. So, hello, everyone. My name is Jillies, and this is Infinite Modesty Design. I have here, of course, the wonderful Paula with us today.
Hello.
Wonderful. And of course, she's our moderator in our online sewing group. So Paula, thank you for joining me today, my dear. Really happy to have you on today. We're just going to be doing a little chit chat to find out a little bit more about Paula and welcome her to the group. So welcome, Paula.
Thank you.
Awesome. So tell us a little bit about you, Paula.
Well, hello, everyone. Well, my name is Paula. I'm originally from Colombia, South America. And now I'm living here in Canada, close to Toronto. And yes, so I'm married. I have 2 little ones who keep me very busy.
There you go.
Yeah, so yeah, and then yes, I'm a teacher, but I'm currently just teaching online now. Nice. I teach Spanish and English too as a second language. Nice. And then I discovered sewing.
There you go. She discovered sewing. Awesome. So I didn't know if anyone noticed. She said she teaches Spanish online. So if anyone at all, wherever you watching me from, want to learn Spanish, you're an English person like me and you just want to learn Spanish, she's the girl to contact for sure. So I'm going to drop her Instagram link either in the chat or the comment below. So definitely check her out. So yeah, so I love to know that you discover Spanish. Sewing. I have to discover Spanish. So you discover sewing. So tell me a little bit about that because you know what? I love stories, to be honest.
Well, so I don't know. It just popped up on my Facebook, like the feed, and I was like, oh. And then you had an event, the 5 days,
right? Yeah.
And with the mask and the pillowcase and the bag.
There you go.
Yeah, and what else was there? The skirt at the end. I was
purse.
Really, yeah. Oh, the purse.
There you go.
So I was like, oh, I want to try this.
Of course.
So yeah, my mom and my grandma, they have always sewn. Like my grandma, that's what she does, has done her whole life and still does it. Like that's her business. My mom, she went to school to study fashion design and everything, but it never,
okay.
Nice. Yeah, it never got my attention. I was like, oh, okay. But then it was the summer actually that I saw it. I was like, oh, I want to try it.
There you go. Why not?
Yeah, I crochet. I've been crocheting for a year or almost 2, maybe.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, so I'm like, okay, I wanna try this then, and then my mom happened to have an extra sewing machine.
Right.
And I was like, okay. And I got the supply list, and then I went to Fabricland, and I felt so lost. I was like, I don't know what I'm doing. And then I even told my husband, I'm like, I don't know what's gonna come out of this week. I really don't know if we're just wasting money here buying fabric, but he was like, no, it will be fun. I try. I'm like, okay.
That's nice. Encourage you. I like that. I like when they encourage us. So that's nice. Yeah.
Yes. And he was carrying the fabric. And then choosing fabric too. So yeah. So I was like, I don't know what's gonna come out of this. I don't know if it's gonna come out like, I don't know, twisted. I have no idea.
Right.
And then yeah, so I started, and then like the first thing was the mask, and I was shocked to see like, oh my goodness, I did it.
I'm telling you. You did it, girl.
Yes, and I was like, wow, I can't believe this. And then every single project that week, I finished it, I did it. And yeah, it was really good, and I really liked it. And I even the skirt, I even made another one for my little one, so we had like matching skirts.
Nice, nice. Yeah, I saw the picture. Very, very nice. Absolutely.
Yeah, so that's
So
how
that,
I
that's
began.
yeah, you know what? I remember you very, very well. I think I had a video on Facebook and you post under it. When would be your next event? And I said, okay, I'm gonna let you know because I didn't even know you, a matter of fact,
Yeah.
at the time. Like how are you know we're talking and all that now. And you said that I said, okay, when I have the other event, I'll let you know. And I remember you again because when I had the other event, you didn't get the email. Right, you
Yeah,
remember?
that's
You didn't
right.
get the email? Yeah, and I had us to contact my provider and say, like, what's going on? And it wasn't just you alone, but a few other people didn't get it, and I wasn't sure. So then I remember you very, very well. And when you came on
Yeah.
board, and there you go. So here you are. So awesome, awesome for you know, I didn't know the event was like kind of your first sort of, you know, I thought probably it was a little D here, little D. So kudos to you, girl. You did fantastic in the event, like a
Thank you.
pro. Oh my goodness. So I'm so thankful. All right, guys. So here again, so we are having another live event. So you will see Paula in the group. Again, she's the moderator as well as I'm the admin. So you would see us posted in the group about the event. So please sign up for, if you have not signed up already, you would have to put your email address, and also the supply list is out. So get your supplies and get on board. We will do the event live, like how we're doing it here on Zoom, like a one big family. So hopefully we will see everyone who sign up come on board this coming Friday. Awesome, awesome. All right, so we just want to thank everyone for those who have been there's a lot of comments been going on in the group, right? Because we kind of want to keep the group acting. So awesome, awesome. So thank you so much. I've been seeing a lot of posting from Paula and a lot of comments below the post. So we want to keep the group chatting. So thank you so much for all those who, you know, comment in one way or the other. And then last thing I'm going to say as well is I did put an invite. So anyone who want to invite others to the group, I do have an opportunity for the person who invite the most to get at least 3 months membership. There you go. So that's something I'm excited about. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So as you can hear, Paula here, she is a very Spanish lady and she teaches Spanish. So anyone who want to learn Spanish, who want to learn Spanish, definitely contact her. Again, I'm going to drop her information down in the chat. And again, once again, Paula, thank you so much, because I don't know if you had realized there was a time I said I wanted to close the group because it was just too much for me. And then when I post a moderator, you were the only one who responds. So thank you so much. I am so very you know, blessed to found you. So thank you again, my dear. Really,
Thank you for the amazing classes. I didn't know I could sell.
there you go. She did so. Okay, my dear. So anyway, we will wrap again, and you would see me and Paula more, of course. I would be starting, of course, a lot of other things you'll be hearing from me as we go along. But again, this would not be our first live, me and Paula. This is our first live, but this is not the last. We'll be doing more lives together. So thanks again, everyone, for joining us. Leave your comments or question below, and have yourself a wonderful night. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you so much.
Bye, everyone.
All right. How do I stop?